In this video, I'm going to show you a great little updated tool that allows you to take a block of text, could be the text of an entire web page, part of a web page, HTML code, and it will clean up that text so it's only displaying the visible words that are on the web page, the actual words people can see. And from that, it will pull out the most frequently occurring 5-word long, 4-word long, 3-word long, and 2-word long most dominant keyword phrases from that text. That tool can be found on this page here. Just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the green text box there. You just paste in there the text that you want to get the dominant keywords from. Again, you can get the text from an entire web page by, for example, pressing Control A on the keyboard, then Control C, then paste it in the tool, and have all your web page text, all the visible text there. Click the button Get Keywords from Text, or you can even use full HTML code. Even if that HTML code has CSS, JavaScript, PHP, the tool's still going to work. You just click the button. It's going to clean up that text, show you the word count of the visible text on the page, and then provide you keyword statistics. The number of keyword phrases that occur at least 3 times on the web page. It's going to show it to you for 5-word long keyword phrases, 4, 3, and 2-word long. And obviously this information is very useful from a SEO standpoint. It shows you what the dominant keyword phrases are for a web page. And it's really good to use if, let's say, you're a website owner and you want to make sure that content you have written is actually focused around the keyword phrase you think it is. You use this tool and it will tell you what keyword phrases are the most dominant keyword phrases.